Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy and GMC's 2011 to 2019 2500 HD and 3500 HD pickups.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift or remove your truck's bed and raise the rear axle to relieve tension on the leaf spring. Remove the lower leaf spring shackle bolt and move the leaf spring out of the way. Remove the factory leaf spring mount. Step 3. Grind the work area down to bare metal, removing any remaining rust and debris. Step 4. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent or reduce future rust formation. Step 5. Slide the replacement mount onto the frame rail using the markings of the factory part to aid with alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place before fully welding all edges. Step 6. Paint the part and work area with a rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Move the rear leaf spring and shackle back into position and install the included lower leaf spring shackle bolt as well as the factory or replacement bushings. Now, get back out on the road.